Hey besties, Resinate by Chanel here. So I have a juicy story that I will be spilling the tea on for you today while making this adorable sparkly turtle using crushed Peridot crystals. So are you ready for some drama? Let's get into it. Alright guys, so this one is called Am I the a-hole for assuming that my daughter could have a third plate of food? So yesterday, my sister hosted a family dinner at her house. It wasn't a special occasion or anything, it was just a family dinner. Now, my sister is a great cook and she made a ton of food. My daughter was on her second plate by the end of the night. Once she was done, she asked if she could have another plate and I said yes. But my sister, her aunt, looked at her with a shocked expression and said, "Another plate?" My daughter turned around and looked uncomfortable. She's only 16 and has 2 part-time jobs to pay for some of her college tuition, so she usually doesn't eat until 7 or 8. So I didn't even think anything of it when she got up to get a third plate. I turned to my sister and said that she's been working all day without anything to eat. I mean, she made tons of food. How would it hurt for her to have another plate? My sister started yelling, saying something about how it wasn't my place to say if my daughter could get more of her food that she made. And I guess I somewhat agree with that, which I guess kind of makes me an a-hole. My daughter ended up not getting another plate and the vibe got really awkward, so we just left. Before we got a chance to leave, my sister stopped me to tell me that I should have taught my daughter manners and that it's not right to get more than 1 plate at somebody else's house. I told my sister that she's being ridiculous. And somehow our voices got loud enough where my mom could hear what we were saying. So she came over and started telling me that she agreed with my sister and that it was rude for my daughter to have that many plates. At that point, I started getting fed up, so I just left. Then, of course, they started blowing up my phone telling me how rude I was for leaving while they were still talking. But I don't think I was an a-hole for that because I am not going to stay somewhere where I'm being disrespected. But am I the a-hole for letting my daughter have a third plate? I'm sorry, but I do not think that OP is the a-hole in this situation. Like, yeah, he should have asked about the third plate because that is kind of a lot of food, but it's a family dinner. I don't know, I just don't feel like I've ever been to a family dinner setting where you can't just like get as many plates as you want. But anyways, maybe it was because I was raised different, I don't know. But it does seem like the sister's a bit of an a-hole. I feel like she took it too far and she had no reason to get that mad about food. So for her, I'm gonna give her a 4 out of 10 on the a-hole scale, but you guys let me know who you think the real a-hole is. Also, don't forget to drop some turtle emojis in the comments if you love my new sparkly turtle. All right, Resinators, thank you so much for staying to the end of the video, and I will see you next time. As usual, stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.